Hi, today I'm unboxing the Oral-B IO Series 2 brush. So let's get into this, because it is quite a nice toothbrush, nothing too fancy. And here on the website it says it has an automatic timer and it has 3 modes that you can use it for. And then you also have automatic gum protection, so that's also pretty cool. It looks very, very nice right here on the box, so it's very sleek and a little bit of a different design than the Pro series from Oral-B, which I already tested. So let's open that up, let's get it out of its box, which is right here. So already it looks really, really nice. And then you have like this top here, which I've not seen on the other Oral-B series products. Then what else do we have in the box? A book, of course, which we will not read right now. And then these brush heads, which are also just a little bit different than the standard Oral-B brush heads. So they went all in for like this cool, sleek, minimalist design here. So this is all the way across, and let's show you the difference. Here, this is the Series 1 of the Pro. This is like the top that just goes on top of there. And then this one looks really, really sleek. And you just push that down. It's a little bit more of a closed case, I think, than the other Oral-B Series 1s. And then, yeah, of course, have your charger here. So let's open that up. So you can just put that on and then plug that into the wall outlet, and it will start charging like this. So I think all the Oral-B products have that, so nothing too fancy there. So this is also just a little bit of a basic version. You have the button right here. Let's see if that will turn on right out of the box. Yes, it will. So you have different modes. This is just a standard mode. Then this is just a little bit softer with gum protection. And this is a little bit harder with more pulsating to really get into those gums. So that's 3 different modes, and I think it will turn off when I push again. Yeah, and then it will turn off. It has a timer, so it will go for 2 minutes, and it has automatic gum protection. So let's see how that will work. Yeah, so now I have a light there which says I'm pushing too hard. It's not a must-have, but I did brush a little bit too hard when I was a kid and a young adult. So something like this with that protection in there really helps train you to not brush that hard, because you really don't need to, and it will reset your gums. So it will save your gums. This, once you know, you know. I think that's part of it as well. So if you already have used one of these products with like a little light in there, a little detection, then you don't really need to use that anymore, I think, unless you fall into those old patterns again. So again, really cool product, a very nice and sleek box, and I hope this video has helped you make your choice.